Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Journey wiper blades. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the ignition is disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect your windshield. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield during the process. Now you're ready for the next step. Now let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll see a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the hook. It should detach quite easily. Remember to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm throughout this step. You don't want it to accidentally spring back and strike your windshield, which could cause damage. Be gentle but decisive. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the hook until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely fastened and won't come loose during operation. Once it's locked in, gently guide the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat this process for the other side. After installing both new wiper blades, it's crucial to perform a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the new blades as they clear the glass, ensuring they provide a streak-free wipe across the entire windshield. This confirms proper installation and functionality. If you notice any issues, double-check the connection points. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.